Let's talk about how to harmonize your living space, creating peace and well being. Feng Shui, an ancient Chinese art created over 4,000 years ago, is all about creating balance and harmony. It's a dance of elements and energy, shaping our living spaces to enhance well being and prosperity. Feng Shui revolves around five elements: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. Balancing these in your home brings harmony. Think wood furniture, metal accents, or water features. Clutter is the enemy of Feng Shui. It blocks energy flow. Embrace minimalism and organization to let your life energy circulate freely. Colors are powerful in Feng Shui. Each color invokes different energies. For instance, blue for tranquility, red for wealth, and green for growth and health. By mindfully arranging our spaces, we invite positivity and balance into our lives. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into enhancing your living space.